Excuse me. Here. Yeah, in 3 more months, that all of that would have been just like that.
Yeah.
See, underneath is great. When I said it was wider, but yeah. You didn't answer me though. How do you feel about wearing rubber bands? I know you didn't like them in the beginning and things, but honestly, your wicks are very heavy. You understand what I'm saying? So even if I do reposition this, you know what I'm saying? That's not going to solve the problem of what they're going to do in the future. They are still going to come back down. You understand what I'm saying? Again, you can't go against gravity. Gravity is pulling it down along with the weight of it. You know what I'm saying? It's only going to just keep breaking it off. I do not want it to look like you got a low cut in the middle of your wicks. You have seen my videos. You see how people, you know what I'm saying? If they're not getting it done, it's steadily waiting and breaking. You know what I mean? So it's something that I would like for you to think about. You don't have to wear them all the time, but you know what I'm saying? At least sometimes, you know what I'm saying? To hold up this weight. This is very heavy.
I've been trying to keep it up. That's what I've been doing. Keep
For
it
real?
up. Or keep the black thing on. Since you first said something, I've been keeping
It
it
just
up.
definitely have, like I said, back here, where I showed you, it definitely grew back. So it's not like your hair is stagnant or anything like that, but at the same time, your hair is growing and breaking at the same time. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And breaking, that causes split ends. And if the split ends go to your scalp, it's going to stop growing. And you don't want that. You know what I'm saying? But being that it is growing, you might want to think about using them. Yeah, like this is. Yeah, see, the hair is growing. This is too heavy.
Coming out there, leave. I'm down the street though. I'm right here on Commerce. I'm coming to you out there, I leave. Look. Alright, I'm up though. I'm coming to you out there, leave. Alright.
As you can see right here, the wick has grown, you know, but at the top part, the hair is short. So when the wick grows outward, the heavy part of the wick hangs down, and that creates stress on the roots, causing the breakage. See, the rubber band will help support the weight of it instead of keep letting your hair break. You understand what I'm saying? Right here where you see my finger is at, this is where you can see the hair is starting to pull. Also, you can look at the top of this wick and see that the hair is pulling. It's just breaking it off. So what you are looking at from this angle is short hair. This is not new growth. This has been broken off from the wick. Most times the hair break off in the middle. Now, because he doesn't like rubber bands, what I am going to do is extend this short hair into the wick. Now, the same thing could happen. Just because I'm extending it does not mean that it will stop from breaking. The thing is, I'm extending it so it can go into the wick, so he can have more of a time to think about, wearing the rubber bands to support this hair in breakage, because the trunks are just entirely too heavy. And as I said earlier, when the hair grows out, the wick will start to lean down or fall down, and so the top hairs will break off from that stress. As you see here, I am extending this hair to cover the top of the wick. What I am doing now is putting the rubber band on top of it, and I will mash it with my fingers to make sure that it's not pulling, so it can allow the room for the hair to grow and for it to fall, as it will in the next few months.
When people want to see y'all dance, don't try to stop dancing, man. Go ahead, keep dancing. They want to hear you snapping and shit. They want to hear you snapping. They probably think you talking about me. You heard me. I said they gonna think your post is about me and your laugh. You heard me. I don't see no bad. I can't see no messages. Hey, Monique. Hey, boo. I don't know why she ain't add you, Monique. I love you too. Let me get out here last week and go back to dancing. Let me get out. Yeah, they would think you was talking about me. Yeah, I need to go get this shit out there. I know. Go back to dancing. You great.
Squarespace. You can do more than just build a website. You can build a business. Event planners and interior designers. Draft and send proposals to potential clients. Consultants and photographers. Create invoices to collect your own payments. And make sure it was just how you want with a design that's all your own. Done. Squarespace makes offering your services simple. Get started with offer code SoundCloud for 10% on your website or domain.
What I'm doing here is opening up the root of the wick, just because it's getting real tight. So I want to open that up. In the little tab that I added here, I am going to blend that in together. Again, allowing time for it to grow.
There's probably nothing in my hair. I got 2 spots to go to though. Nothing. And then I got to see where my brother going because him and his girl arguing. I'm probably when I finish.
Now you see the top of that wick, you see that little dip at? This hair that I added is going to fill in that space, making the top look fuller. Sorry. On this side, it has less breakage than the other side. And what that's telling me is that he leans more on the other side versus this side. This side only has a corner that can be filled in to go with the trunk, as you can see.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Go ahead, I'm good. Support it as well, you know what I'm saying? It's not like you're gonna walk and keep that forever. You get what I'm saying? That's not the reality. Like, good. It's just learning to rub dance a long time is the issue. Was this cut short?
A little bit.
Okay. I'm like, that's not right.
little bit.
This is, but not that. I'm like,
A little bit.
okay.
Like a little-
So this is growing back. It's growing back. So you can see at the top right here is breakage. So I'm going to also extend this to go into ponytail again to buy him some time to start wearing rubber bands. The rubber bands will support the weight of the trunk. See right here, I'm careful of how I put the rubber band on because it can create purling as well. So I'm adjusting it and I'm going to mash the hair that I put up just to allow some room. See how it looks now? Now you can't see that it was pulling. That's how I feel.